Looking to lose weight while staying energized all day? Do you want to build lean muscle? Are you a busy professional or just short on time? Here are 5 quick, delicious, and protein-packed breakfasts to kickstart your mornings. If you're allergic to any of these foods, consult with your physician. Recipe 1. Greek yogurt. Start with Greek yogurt, add your favorite berries, and sprinkle granola for a crunchy finish. Packed with over 20 grams of protein, this is a no-cook, 5-minute breakfast. Recipe 2. Avocado and egg toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread avocado, and top with a poached egg. High in healthy fats and protein, this keeps you full for hours. Recipe 3. Protein smoothie. Blend almond milk, a banana, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder for a portable, nutrient-packed breakfast with around 25 grams of protein. Recipe 4. Cottage cheese bowl. Cottage cheese is a protein powerhouse. Add honey, nuts, and seeds for flavor and crunch, creating a perfectly balanced meal. Recipe 5. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs, pour them into a muffin tin, and add chopped veggies and cheese. Bake for 15 minutes and store extras for the week. An easy grab-and-go breakfast. Nutritional insights. All these breakfasts contain at least 20 grams of protein, perfect for weight loss and muscle building. Pair them with fiber-rich ingredients like fruits or veggies to stay full even longer. Your goal should always be to fill yourself with nutrient-rich foods, but with very low calories. Which of these high-protein breakfasts will you try tomorrow? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple and healthy meal ideas.